Hidden within the leaves are small arboreal snakes that terrify local farmers. Green pit vipers. Like other vipers, their mouths can open almost 180 degrees to strike. But their venom isn't the worst of them. Green pit vipers are dangerous because these tree dwellers hunt and strike at head height. A mistaken bite on a human can cause bleeding and painful swelling, sometimes resulting in asphyxiation and death. They account for more snake bites than any other group in all of Southeast Asia. The highly venomous Russell's viper. One of the most dangerous snakes in all of Asia. Rodents bite back,